How's it going, folks? Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. What I have today is a new in-box Airmaster, Relite Airmaster Mark VII LC. Original, has the blades. I think I tested it once before when I first got it. I'm not going to bother unwrapping them this time, but I am going to take it for a test spin. Yep, definitely works. So I'll show you here the box. Inside, the motor actually comes in this pyramid looking cardboard structure. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.